Well, originally started by me purchasing and installing crappy building products. I just hated buying stuff that didn't work for the Australian market. So it really took me on a journey to go, how do I find product that actually works for the purpose that I need it to? And that journey started about 12.5 years ago, and it evolved from all sorts of different products, but now we actually make some of the best quality products in the world. So current team structure here in Australia, we have 44 people. We have 4 people in the international division, and we have 40 team members in the factory over in China. What the business looked like prior to coming to PROTRADE was an absolute mess. I was broken, personally. I had failed business attempts, and I was quite lost. I didn't really know where I was going to go, what I was going to do. I was still trying actively to do things, but I didn't know what I could conquer and what things were possible. I needed to understand how this was scalable, and these are some of the tools that I applied from learning through PROTRADE to focus and narrow down the focus onto particular products that bring good value, bring good returns, because at the end of the day, we're not doing this for free. Well, what I found at the start is by having all these different products, being diverse across different areas, different ranges, trying to sell at trade, wholesale and to retail customers, having the different prices for each, it's confusing. You cull from 1,000 different product lines down to 5 or 6, and then eventually, it only took a year or so, and then realising that, no, I only need to do one. And that's a very scary moment. At that point, not only was it one product, but I culled all trade customers and all retail customers. I didn't sell to them anymore. So at that point, I got one product, and only at that time 24 wholesale customers. 6.5 years later, we have the 1,700. So I think that particular pivot point and that part of the advice, just to focus, was probably the best bit of advice I've ever been given. If you're thinking about being part of the PROTRADE United and coming onto that particular journey, I think it's a life-changing experience for everyone that goes through it, and I think you'll just wish you started it sooner.